Well, hi guys and welcome. This is Stuart again on the Rapid Renovation Formula Challenge with Naomi Finlay. We are back in the dining/kitchen area. Now you may remember from the original photos, we had two beautiful archways from the 1970s going here into this kitchen space. And we had the big island bench obstructing any throughfare to that area as well. So now what we've got here, our Chippy Simon has beautifully square set these walls. We've now got beautiful square angles here on all these walls. You can see that, and they're ready for painting. We've got a beautiful walkway through now into the kitchen area where our island bench is going to be going soon as we reconfigure this whole area. Kitchen's been ordered, it's way ahead of schedule thanks to the discounts from the Power Pass on the Caboodle kitchen with Bunnings. It's come in actually significantly under what we thought it would cost, so we're very excited about that. The budget's looking okay at this stage, and my electrician has also been in to run all the cables for the appliances. You can see hanging out of the walls here where things are going to go. I believe this one's the fridge here. I'm not sure, it could be the oven there or the possibly a microwave point. I'm not quite sure without looking at the plans right now, but that's done. I can also see as well where he's done circles on the roof. Circles there, and also two over here, where we're going to be putting in some nice downlights into the kitchen as well to make it very modern and a nice, beautiful light finish. So, and also all the walls being sheeted. You can see this is all getting ready now. It's all been plastered and evened out and getting prepared. One for the kitchen installation, two for the splashback to be finished off, and then three for any painting that remains around those areas. So it's all coming together. This is going to happen quite fast now, and getting excited. Cheers for now.